I'd like to introduce you to the Cacia Discover Essential Oils Kit. This kit includes 4 top-selling essential oils in a convenient size, perfect for beginning essential oil users. The kit also includes a learning guide full of helpful information, tips, and recipes featuring each of the 4 oils. Included is a dilution guide to teach a safe and effective number of drops when creating home and personal care recipes. The kit includes eucalyptus oil, great for clearing applications, tea tree essential oil, wonderful for purification and cleansing, peppermint essential oil, known for being cooling and energizing, and the ever-popular lavender essential oil, great for calming and relaxation effect. These oils are all great for simple diffusions and for home and personal care recipes. To learn more beyond what you'll find in the learning guide, visit arocacia.com.